Level up your illustrations by mastering the art of dynamic hair. We'll explore techniques to bring your digital creations to life. Start with a well-defined hair layer. Separate the hair from the head and body. This offers independent control. Consider breaking it down into sections, like front strands, side locks, and back hair for nuanced movement. Now, the magic. Use keyframes in your software. Create a series of keyframes along the timeline. Each will represent a slightly different position of the hair. This builds the illusion of movement. At the first keyframe, position the hair with a gentle starting curve. Think about how it's anchored to the head. Then, in subsequent keyframes, gradually shift the hair's shape. Ensure the movement is natural. Avoid static, straight lines. Add slight bends and subtle overlaps. Remember gravity. Experiment with easing settings. Make the animation smoother. Test your animation. Adjust the keyframes until you achieve a flow you love. Finally, add more movement, add some whine or other impact, and see how beautiful animated hair can be.